We are pleased to show you the 2018 300. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, climate control, cloth upholstery. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.